Good morning, students. 12th Standard Commerce, Unit 3, Financial Market 2, Chapter 7, Stock Exchange. In this video, we are going to discuss Stock Exchange. What is Stock Exchange? It is an institution providing platform for buying and selling of securities. Okay, buying and selling of securities. That is called Stock Exchange. So let's see the meaning. Stock exchange is one of the important constituents of capital market. Okay, the stock exchange is an organized market for the purchase and sale of industrial and financial securities. It provides a convenient and secured mechanism or platform for transaction in different securities. Okay, that is called stock exchange. The first stock exchange in India, the Bombay Stock Exchange in 1875. The world most popular stock exchange is London Stock Exchange. So London Stock Exchange is the most popular stock exchange in the world. So it is also called stock market or security market. That means the stock exchange is otherwise called as stock market or security market. Next, we are going to discuss definition of stock exchange. According to the Indian Securities Contracts Regulation Act of 1956 defines stock exchange as an association, organization or body of individuals, whether incorporated or not. Okay, whether incorporated or not, they establish for the purpose of assisting, regulating and controlling the business in buying and selling and dealing in securities. That is called definition of securities. Definition of stock exchange. Next, we are going to discuss functions of stock exchange. We will see point wise. First point, ready and continuous market. Ready and continuous market. First one, exclusively for the existing securities. Exclusively for the existing securities means the securities are already sold in the primary market. Okay. The next, a conversion of securities easily and quickly. That means if an investor want to sell his securities, he can easily and quickly dispose them of the stock exchange. Okay. In other words, he can convert his shares into the cash, and with the same easy he can convert his cash into the securities. That he calls ready and continuous market. Next one, correct evaluation of securities. Correct evaluation securities means the price are recorded properly. That means the prices at which securities are bought and sold are recorded and made public. So, okay, the second, the price are called market quotation. The prices are called a market quotation. The next point, one can easily evaluate. That means the one can easily evaluate the worth of one securities on the basis of these quotations. Okay, the lender can easily assess the worth of securities offered for loan. It is called the correct evaluation of securities. Then third point, protection to the investors. Protection to the investors. So first point, no one can increase the price. No one can increase the price. All dealings in stock exchange are in accordance with well-defined rules and regulations. For example, the brokers cannot charge higher rate for commission for their services. The next point, any malpractice will be severely punished. Okay, any malpractice will be severely punished. So the stock exchange provides the reasonable measure of safety and fair dealings in the buying and selling securities. That is called protection to the investors. Next point, fourth point, aid to capital information, publicity. Publicity means the price of securities provided in the day-to-day market condition given by the stock exchange authorities. Okay, given in the advertisement. Okay, publicity. So the publicity which of stock exchange gives to various industrial securities and their prices and the facilities provided by the for their purchase and sale of induced people to save the invest of stock exchange. Okay, next point, stock to ensure the flow of capital to the industry and assist the industrial development. Okay, flow of capital means the finance. Okay, very important in the business world is money is very important. Okay, so stock ensure the flow of capital. Next point, proper channelization of capital. People like to invest in the shares of such companies which yield the good profits. Then the savings of individuals are directed towards promising companies which declare good dividends over a period of time. That is called a proper channelization of capital. Next point, facilitated for speculation. It is the important points in the functions in the stock exchange. Speculation is an integral part of stock exchange. Okay. Then, especially as a result of speculation, the demand and the supply of securities are equal. Okay. So price movements are rendered smoothly. If the demand and supply of securities are equal, the price movements are rendered smoothly. So next point, seasoning of securities. Seasoning of securities, that means the speculators and underwriters hold for a temporary period the securities issued by the new companies. That is called seasoning of securities. New companies means new market. Okay. The next one, last point, clearing house of business information. Clearing house of business information. So listed companies are required to furnish all important information relating to the capital management, dividend distribution, etc. Listed companies means those companies which included in the official list of stock exchange. Okay, each and every listed company published publicity by the stock exchange. Okay, and forward to the copies of financial statements, annual reports, etc. to the stock exchange. So they publish every year books detailing and a financial position to the companies. So thus it gives vital information to the investing public for deciding on investment. That is called clearing house of business information. I hope you all understand this functions of stock exchange. Next, we're going to discuss features of stock exchange. Okay, first point, market for securities. What is market for securities? That means stock exchange is a market where securities of corporate bodies, government and semi-government bodies are bought and sold. That is called market for securities. Next point, deals in second-hand securities. Second-hand securities is secondary market. So deals in the second-hand securities. Okay, it deals with the shares, debentures, bonds, and the such securities already issued by the companies. But that means primary market issued the securities. In short, it deals with the existing or second-hand securities, or hence it is called a secondary market. The third point, regulates trade in securities. Regulates trade in securities means stock exchange does not buy or sell any securities on its own account. It merely provides the necessary infrastructure and facilitate for the trade in securities to its members and brokers who trade in the securities. Okay, so it regulates the trade and activities to ensure the free and fair trade. Next point, allows dealings only in the listed securities. That means the stock exchange maintain an official list of securities that could be purchased and sold on its floor. That is called allows dealings only in the listed securities. Next point, association of person. What is association of person? That means a stock exchange is an association of person or body of individuals which may be registered on or unregistered. Okay, may be registered or unregistered. It is called association of person. The next point, recognition from central government. So recognition from central government. That means the stock exchange is an organized market. Stock exchange is an organized market. It requires recognition from the central government. It is recognized from the central government. Okay. Then seventh point, working as per rules. What is working as per rules? That means the buying and selling of transaction securities at the stock exchange are governed by the rules and regulation of stock exchange, well as SEBI guidelines. Okay, so no deviation from the rules and guidelines is allowed in any case. That is called working as per rules. Next point, specific location. What is specific location? That means stock exchange is a particular marketplace where authorized brokers come together daily on the floor of market called trading circles and conduct the trading activities. That is called a specific location. All the working of stock exchange is conducted and controlled through computers and the electronic system. Okay. Then last point, financial parameters. What is financial parameters? Stock exchange are the financial parameters and development the indicators of national economy of the country. National economy of the country. Okay. The last point, financial parameters. I hope you all understand the topic, features of stock exchange. Okay. Thank you.